What do you do if you and your spouse had a fight right before your immigration marriage interview and now he or she is refusing to go to the interview with you? My name is Zlata Berman. I'm an immigration attorney with over 20 years of experience, and this is what I wish my clients would know, or this is what I wish all people would know. If you have a marriage interview coming up and you and your spouse had a fight, this happens a lot. It's a stressful time for people. People start fighting. And on the day of the interview, he or she says, I'm not going with you. I don't care what happens. What do we do? Number one, not go. Go, even if you go by yourself, go and try to reschedule. Usually you can do it by coming up to the window in the front and saying, I have my marriage interview scheduled. Here's the interview notice. Unfortunately, we're having an issue. Can you please reschedule? Most of the times they will. If you just don't show up, there's more than 90% chance immigration will deny your interview. They will deny for non-appearance. You will have lost your filing fees, your work authorization, your travel document, and all this time and all this money. So even if your spouse won't go, do go and try to reschedule the interview. If you have an attorney, contact the attorney, and usually they will do that for you. That's what we do for our clients. Number two, the fight is not your first time. If there is abuse in the marriage, if the reason the person's not going to your interview is because they are emotionally sabotaging you or threatening you or blackmailing you, saying they will not go and they will deport you, that's a whole different issue. This case can then become an abused spouse petition, a VAWA case. You need to speak to a lawyer. You can either convert the marriage petition to a VAWA petition right away, or you need to file a different one. It just depends on which way you decide to go, which way your lawyer deems more appropriate. But if it's just a fight, if it's just a squabble, and you guys are going to patch things up, do go to the interview and try to reschedule.